Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can use Coggle and what you can actually do. So Coggle is a great tool that you can use. The setup account is also quick and effective. And how it works is that in the moment when you're going to create your own dashboard, there you can like change the title, right? So we can change it to, let's say, my work. Now what you can do is you can click, like you can make it bold, or you can make it italic, or you can even like see things here that you can like alignment here, and then you can like add an image, right? So that's for that. Then you can also like link it to website. You can upload the image and you can search for icons. Now that's something that you can do, and you can make it even bigger. Now the next thing that you can actually do is that when you're going to see here, and when we actually have it, you can click like the buttons here. They are going to create another. So we can go like another one. Okay. Then what I can do, you can make it even bigger. And then I can click plus here, right? Then I can click plus here. And I can even click plus here and write something here, right? So that's something that you can actually do. Then what you can do, you can move things like that. So even here you can create next one, and you can really have this kind of like the snake map here. Then I can click plus here and write. See? And then what you can do is that, let's go back. You can again write here, and then you can take this and let's say move it here, right? So but for that you need to like upgrade it. And that's something that you can actually do. Then you can change also the colors, but the colors are also paid. When you're gonna click on the color, you can change it, and you can even change the line here, right? You see on these, but for that you need to have like the paid version. I don't have it, but I just want to show you what you can actually do. See? So you can have the paid version, you can change the colors, all of that you can do, and it works. So that's something that I wanted to share with you. This is like really quick and effective tutorial on how you can use this tool. It's like pretty good and very simple, but good. And on the bottom right, you can have also advice on what you can actually do and how you can use it too, like the keybinds. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.